when Zambia's currency was so strong, India currency was so strong. There was a time when dollar was equal to one currency of Zambia. And now India was also 3 or 4 rupees. Now we see what is happening. We are laboring hard, but unless the women also start throwing themselves into a neological approach, to have a neocratic approach, it is very unlikely that we will be able to succeed. And Madam Judith had said everything. May I call upon Her Excellency the Lauded High Commissioner of Zambia to kindly come on the other side, be with us. When Kelly Balubita, Ambassador Excellency Kelu Balubita, I remember in 2005 and 6 and 4. So since then we have been working closely with the government of Zambia. May I again invite another 5-6 principals, not the same one, the other one, principal of the remaining schools sitting in the audience, please come. And yes, principal of Delhi schools, नहीं है तो वही लोग आ जाएंगे फिर दोबारा। ये हमारे विदेशी मेहमान तो समझेंगे नहीं, इसलिए मैं अपनी भाषा में बोलकर काम चला रहा हूँ। प्लीज। May I also invite on the dais Professor Dr. Asha Kadya, who is the learned Vice Chancellor of the Wanli Estate Women University of Haryana, that is Bhagat Phul Singh Mahila Vishwavidyalaya. Please give a big hand. So, on behalf of the search committee duly constituted to locate diplomats who have an ecological approach to governance, who have an ecological approach to diplomacy, who believe in ecological feminism. And that is very clear from whatever Her Excellency the learned High Commissioner of Zambia said, and before her speech the learned High Commissioner of Botswana said. So it is very clear the IAWP and UN affiliate has pleasure in felicitating Mrs. Judith, the learned High Commissioner of Zambia, and the Green and Clean Diplomatist Award, coming from US with the blessings of our President, Dr. Charles Marchia, who is originally a Maltese and now naturalized in Alabama in Huntsville, in US, and myself on behalf of the IAWP, being the Chancellor for South Asia, have great pleasure in announcing this award and conferring upon her this international award. Please. Again, you come. Please come closer. Please give a big hand to Madam Judith. Not only her ideas, her speech today, and her outstanding contribution to diplomacy has led us to select her. 1 minute. We will also, we have to, the Lifetime Achievement Award will present. Please, all the teachers and students from Daulat Ram College are welcome to come here. Yes. Gantosh Kumar Jha, where is the award? May we call upon Dr. Gantosh Kumar Jha, the principal of Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College, for receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award. Please, the teachers and students who have come with Professor Jha, please come. So the award is being given to motivate them, and the teachers will also join the team in order to ensure cleanliness and greening in the campus of ARSD College, besides hygiene and sanitation to be maintained. Please. Out yes, here again. Green campus award. Thank you. Wait 1 minute. May we also invite Dr. Swati Pa. Oh, please, please.
And my students.
Oh. Yes, yes, right. In the meantime, they are.
And happy Women's Day to all of us. I stand here very humbled today in the presence of such august company. I'd like to share with you that I'm very, very privileged. I belong to a family where we were 4 sisters. We are 4 sisters. And as I stand here today, the eldest, the 2 eldest sisters are both Major Generals in the Army. My second sister just put on her rank today. My third sister is Principal Auditor General Punjab and Haryana. And so we had a father who believed that women are the best. I belong to an institution now, Janki Devi Memorial College, where I'm very, very proud to be in the company of 2 very brilliant colleagues who are here with me today, Ms. Vandana Madan, Dr. Sudhnya Kulkarni, and a bunch of the most brilliant students. Janki Devi College is a special college. It was built with the primary purpose of catering to those students who come from economically marginalized backgrounds. And how great our students are is proof of the place that Janki Devi has reached today. So I wanted to share that with you because many of you we don't know each other. And you need to know why we are here today, why we perhaps qualify for this award. So thank you so much. And I think we all could do with a better society in which men and women both work together in mutual harmony. So thank you all the men in my life as well. Thank you, sir.
So,
Okay, thank you so much. It's ladies. Thank you very much. Great. What's that?
friends, now is the time. I told you, our chief guest, our main motivator, Her Holiness Anand Murthy Guruma will come dot at 11:30. So she has already arrived. Please give a standing ovation. You have been seeing Guruma on the television. I told you that she is, please be seated. She is one of the greatest spiritualists of the world. Okay, it is a fact. Our search committee, constituted for locating dedicated spiritualists all over the world, went on doing survey from country to country to see that those experts, those spiritualists who may be religious, may not be religious, but they must be having an in-depth knowledge of interfaith, and to see that they may bring peace on earth in the 3rd millennium. We had no other choice. The only one person was Her Holiness Anand Murti Guruma. With these words, we have great pleasure in welcoming on behalf of the Women's Agency for Generating Employment, also on behalf of the learned High Commissioner of Botswana, the learned High Commissioner of Nigeria, and the learned High Commissioner of to be given by Her Holiness Anand Murti Guruma will go a long way in throwing each one of you in a new environment with full of zeal and enthusiasm with her neological and neocratic approach. People ask what is neology and what is neocracy. Madam believes in, Her Holiness believes in a neological approach to spirituality. What is neology? Neology is the art and science of evolving a new doctrine. In Hindi we call it Nutan Matavalamban, or for that matter Vilakshan Mat. She believes in a neological approach to promoting spirituality. Other spiritualists are believing in the old hackneyed style of spirituality, which is not the requirement today. A neocratic approach means governance by new people, not the same old spiritualists and religious leaders whom you used to adore. No, not in the time. The time is changing. Here is a neocratic approach and a new personality who will really educate the entire world citizenry one day or the other. With these words, may I request Her Holiness Anand Murti Guruma to kindly come this side and light the traditional Indian wall lamp. Regarding lighting of lamp, we say, when one lamp lights another, nor grows less nobleness and kindleth nobleness. एक दीप जब दूसरे दीप को जलाता है तो पहले दीप की रोशनी घटती नहीं है. So हमारे परम पावन आनंद मूर्ति गुरुमा का नारा है each one teach one. अभी हमारे यहाँ 300 लोग बैठे हैं, घर जाएंगे 600 800 मल्टीप्लायर इफेक्ट होगा. इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं परम पावन आनंद मूर्ति गुरुमा से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि वे दीप जलाकर आज के इस कार्यक्रम का शुभ उद्घाटन करें. We would also like all the persons on the dais to kindly assist her in lighting the traditional Indian fire. Both of you together, please. Three learned High Commissioners are jointly lighting the traditional Indian wire lamp. Please give a big hand. Other person. You. Professor Mandal and Dr. Shankar. Yeah, jointly. One left. Please. First, our chief guest, Her Holiness Anandamurti Guru Ma, to kindly release the vision document and the main book on women cleanliness, as also nursing, hygiene and sanitation. This has been a very important publication which is a part of the 50-volume World Encyclopedia of Women's Development. Our organization is the only organization in the world having the credit of publishing the 50-volume World Encyclopedia of Women's Development, which runs into 20,000 pages and it weighs about 65 kg. So, including different chapters and different volume-wise details on women and religion and spirituality and empowerment and crime and housing and rights and duties. So, may I request Dr. Tanuja Trivedi and Neelam Joshi, please come and jointly present this book to Her Holiness with a request to kindly release this. Which is being released and dedicated to the world citizenry by Her Holiness Anandamurti Guru Ma, and the first copy goes to her. The other book, which is a part of the 50-volume encyclopedia, is Women in India, which will be released just now. May I call upon Professor Dr. Asa Kadya, the Vice Chancellor of Bhagat Phool Singh Mahila Vishwavidyalaya, and Professor Deepak Ranjan Mandal, the lauded Vice Chancellor of Sidhu Kanu Birsa University, Bengal, to kindly join Guru Ma in this release function. You can kindly present to Madam for releasing. Thank you very much, Madam, for this great work, and we are sure with your blessings these books will be circulated all over the world in the print as well as in the electronic media. Huh? This is for, I will give you. Bring one, एक और किताब है. Women in India, एक और piece है जल्दी से. Yes. Delegates, foreign delegates, vice chancellors and professors and students and teachers and all of us. So may I call upon Her Holiness to give her blessings.
Celebrates the International Women's Day. But I believe it isn't just one day which is enough, or shouldn't be like a token, political statement. It should be like a 365 days are Women Day. Minus the woman, there is no family. Minus the woman, there aren't any relationships. Minus the woman, there won't be any man. So every day, every second is a Women's Day.